Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fill up this Korea electronic arrival card on your mobile device. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened this Korea electronic arrival card, e-arrival you can say, and like many countries they have this process. Even India has started one. Okay, so now here you can fill this up to 3 days, within 3 days before arrival in Korea. Okay, now you have like this for individual. Okay, up to 9 people can submit. Okay, so that's what we are going to go through this. So tap on submit. Now terms and condition, so you have to agree. So and then you need to begin with email. Okay, because email is required, because this is where they're going to send the communication, right? So I'm going to do this and then I'm going to okay. So after that it is asking you to upload the passport bio page. Okay, you can take a picture or you can upload file. Okay, I cross it, but definitely it will ask me for this information. And like as you said, as I said, that up to 9 people can do here. So this form has opened for one person. Okay, now if you want to add more, you can always tap on add declarant. Okay, now for number 1 it's showing representative, for number 2 it is showing an additional applicant, and you can also delete. You just need to select. See, I tapped on one add declaration, 3 declarants I have added. One I can delete any of this. So before submission you can always do. Okay, and one guy is going to be the representative. Okay, so let's say you have a family of 4, one can be the representative. Okay, so passport is definitely required. Okay, and surname, given name. So I'm going to put some sample, and then I'm going to, while I have filled up some sample information, I want to show. So like surname, first surname, and then given name, first name I have given. If any of this is missing in your passport, you can check on unknown. Okay, date of birth, country, passport number, gender, passport expiration date. Make sure every information you enter here matches with your passport. So check everything at least 2 times. Date of arrival, flight details. I have put sample, but do it your as per your case. Previous departure page is not mandatory, but yeah, if applicable, definitely put. Departure from Korea, so date of departure, flight details, again you have to put. And next destination where you are going, I mean from Korea to where you are going. See, there's an arrow. Purpose of entry, stay information, where you're gonna stay, address. Okay, intended place of stay, so this in Korean and this in English. Contact information and your email and job, and after that you need to submit, and then they send an email confirmation to you with the details, and that you can carry. So this is how simple it is, guys, and that's how it works. But yes, you have to upload your passport, don't miss that. So thanks for watching this, guys, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.